Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, The Enemy, from the Stars by Paul Buck. Paul Buck, American writer and novelist, born in 1892 and 1973. Paul Buck childhood was mostly spent in China. So this chapter, The Enemy, wonderful story, and it has the setting of Second World War. Okay, the story happens on a coastal town of Japan. Coastal town of Japan means the whole story revolves around Dr. Sadao's house. Dr. Sadao's house near to the coastal area of Japan. Then most probably in the year 1941. Why? Because we all know very well that Second World War was held in the year 1939 and up to 1945. Following Japan attacking Pearl Harbor, most of the people know it very well that America attacked, bombed on Nagasaki and Hiroshima. But do you know that Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, US camp, Pearl Harbor, where US Army was camping and controlling. Japanese were hostile to Americans. Negative approach means any Japanese was ready to kill any American white man if found on their soil. So it is the basic idea of this chapter. Means on one hand we would see that Japanese were hostile. Japanese had developed an aversion, nafrat for the American man or for white man. But in the chapter we would see on the contrary, Dr. Sadao had Tom prisoner of war. Prisoner of war means ran away from Japanese army. ये एक white man है, American है, and he was treated by Dr. Sadao Koti. Why? We would see in this chapter. ऐसा क्या हो गया Dr. Sadao? Dr. Sadao did not marry Hannah until it was revealed that she had Japanese ethics and Japanese blood in her veins. हना से डॉक्टर सदाव ने शादी नहीं की. Why? जब तक ये कंफर्म नहीं हुआ कि हना जो है वो Japanese blood है. Why? Because Dr. Sadav's father would never allow Dr. Sadav to marry Hana if she was not a Japanese, but she was a Japanese. First of all, we would see Dr. Sadav met Hana in America. Means Dr. Sadav got higher education for 8 years in America. In America, he got higher education in the medical higher degree. Means Dr. Sadav की जो higher education थी 8 years वो कहाँ हुई है? America में. And we would see Hannah met Dr. Sadav at Professor Harley's house, and then both of them finalized each and everything, decided to get married, but according to Japanese culture. Then we would see servants in the chapter. We would see characters that the servants were very racist. They did not want to stay in the home where Dr. Sadav was treating prisoner of war. The question was raised, why did Dr. Sadav treat prisoner of war? ऐसा क्या था? Because the main thing is that Dr. Sadav was taught in the medical profession what? Not to let a man die. Never let a man die if you could save him. आपको जब तक किसी आदमी को बचा सकते हो तब तक उसको मरने नहीं देना है. And that is the reason Dr. Sadav treated Tom. We would see the journal. He was dealing with the Japanese army, but most of the time we would see that he beat his wife. वो अपनी wife को मारता है. It was revealed in the chapter. But then we would see that he was a very selfish person. बहुत selfish है. Do you know why? Because he did not send Dr. Sadao Hoiki to the border to help the Japanese army. Why? To help injured Japanese army. Why? Because he wanted Dr. Sadao to stay in Japan only. Why? Because he was in some problem and anytime his operation call would be there. And he did not trust any doctor. He trusted only on Dr. Sadao, and that's why, that is the reason, when everything was in front of journal, he patched up. उसने सब कुछ छुपा दिया. He tried to conceal each and everything. उसने छुपाने की कोशिश की because he wanted Dr. Sadao not to be hang on. वो नहीं चाहता था कि डॉक्टर सदाव को फांसी हो. He wanted Dr. Sadao. Whatever he did, he knew it. वो जानता था he had an enemy. He knew very well that he had given shelter to the prisoner of war, but still he did not say anything to him. Okay, their conversation was held. At last we would see, but still he helped him. At last we would see Dr. Sadao Koike not only did operation of Tom, but also helped him to escape, and but also help him to reach his destination. Why? We would see in the chapter that the enemy gives the message that humanism transcends all man-made prejudices. Means humanity is above all prejudices and barriers. Dr. Sadao upholds the ethics of medical profession in treating an enemy. The story is a great lesson of peace, love, sympathy, fellow feeling and humanism. Students, we would see that this chapter has the 5 parts, okay, but we will make it in 7 parts. The story is very beautiful and it is like movie. You can also see one of the movie related to the enemy chapter, okay. It has a very beautiful story. The setting is Second World War, fine, and we would come to know that how a Japanese doctor is in dilemma. Dr. Sadao Hoki is in dilemma whether he should save a man enemy, क्या वो उसको अपने दुश्मन को बचाना है, or hand over him to the police. So decision was into his hand, but he took the right decision to help him. Being a doctor, it was in his ethics to help a person, wounded person, injured person, prisoner of war. So this is all from my side today, and tomorrow we will start our line by line explanation of the chapter. But prior to that, I would like to share you one thing, that please go through the characters of the chapter. Dr. Sadao Koike, Hannah, Tom, the servants, the journal, and Sadao's father, that I have shared in the PDF. And one more thing, that BPS is also sharing on websites the chapters PDF. So over there you can see Auron Scholars ERP. I would like to tell you, please go through the setting of the chapter, theme of the chapter, characters of the chapter, and then you can better understand your chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.